Socialization process. The socialization process is one of the most important ideas in sociology because it explains how human beings learn to become members of society. When a child is born, the child does not automatically understand social rules, cultural values, or acceptable behavior. Instead, these things are gradually learned through interaction with family members, teachers, friends, and many other people in society. Socialization is the lifelong process through which individuals learn the beliefs, attitudes, customs, language, and behaviors that are considered appropriate in their culture. Human beings depend on socialization because society has many expectations about how people should behave. These expectations include how to communicate with others, how to express emotions, how to follow rules, and how to perform social roles such as being a parent, student, worker, or citizen. Without socialization, individuals would not be able to function effectively in social life. Through this process, people learn what society expects from them and how they can interact with others in meaningful ways. The socialization process usually begins within the family. Family members are the first people who interact with a child, and they play a central role in teaching basic skills and values. Parents and caregivers teach children how to speak, how to behave politely, how to distinguish between right and wrong, and how to respect others. Children observe the behavior of their parents and often imitate what they see. For example, if parents show kindness, responsibility, and respect toward others, children are likely to learn and adopt similar behaviors. In addition to family, schools play a very important role in socialization. Educational institutions teach children not only academic knowledge but also social discipline and cooperation. In school environments, students learn how to follow schedules, respect authority, work with classmates, and complete responsibilities. Schools also introduce children to broader social values such as fairness, teamwork, and national identity. Through these experiences, individuals learn how to function within organized social systems. Peer groups also influence the socialization process in powerful ways. Peer groups include friends and individuals of similar age who interact regularly. As children grow older, they often spend more time with friends than with family members. Within peer groups, individuals learn how to form relationships, share experiences, and develop a sense of belonging. Peer influence can shape preferences in clothing, music, hobbies, and social behavior. Sometimes peer pressure can encourage positive habits such as cooperation and support, while at other times it may encourage risky or harmful behavior. Another important agent of socialization is media. Media includes television, films, newspapers, digital platforms, and social media networks that distribute information and entertainment. Media messages expose individuals to a wide variety of cultural ideas, lifestyles, and social expectations. Through repeated exposure to these messages, people develop perceptions about success, beauty, relationships, and social roles. Media can therefore influence how individuals understand society and how they define their own identities. Religion also plays a significant role in shaping social behavior in many societies. Religious institutions teach moral values, ethical principles, and spiritual beliefs that guide individual behavior. Religious teachings often encourage virtues such as honesty, compassion, humility, and responsibility. Participation in religious communities can strengthen social bonds and create a shared sense of purpose among members. Another important agent of socialization is the workplace. As individuals grow older and begin professional careers, they must adapt to the expectations of organizational environments. Workplaces teach employees how to cooperate with colleagues, follow professional standards, and fulfill responsibilities within an institution. Through these experiences, individuals learn new roles and develop skills that help them function effectively in economic life. Sociologists often describe socialization in stages. The first stage is primary socialization, which occurs during early childhood. During this period, children learn the most basic social behaviors and cultural values from their families and immediate surroundings. This stage is very important because it shapes the foundation of an individual's personality and worldview. The second stage is secondary socialization, which occurs later in life when individuals interact with institutions such as schools, peer groups, workplaces, and community organizations. In this stage, individuals learn specialized roles and behaviors required in different social settings. For example, a student learns how to behave in a classroom, while an employee learns how to behave in a professional environment. Socialization continues throughout the entire life course. Adults also experience socialization when they encounter new situations such as marriage, parenthood, career changes, or migration to a new society. In these situations, individuals must learn new expectations and adapt to different social norms. This process shows that socialization is not limited to childhood but remains active throughout life. The socialization process also helps individuals develop identity. Identity refers to how people understand themselves and their place in society. Through interactions with others, individuals learn about their abilities, values, and social roles. Feedback from family, friends, and institutions influences how individuals see themselves and how confident they feel about their position in society. At the same time, socialization helps maintain social order. When individuals learn and follow shared norms and values, society becomes more stable and predictable. People understand how to cooperate, resolve conflicts, and fulfill their responsibilities. Without socialization, social life would become chaotic because individuals would not share common expectations or rules. However, socialization does not mean that individuals always accept social norms without question. People can reflect on the values they have learned and sometimes challenge them. Social change often occurs when individuals and groups question traditional beliefs and introduce new ideas. This dynamic process allows societies to evolve and adapt to changing circumstances. In conclusion, the socialization process is the foundation of human social life. Through interaction with family, schools, peers, media, religion, and workplaces, individuals learn the knowledge, values, and behaviors that allow them to participate in society. This lifelong process shapes identity, guides behavior, and helps maintain social stability. Understanding socialization helps us see how individuals and society influence each other in complex and meaningful ways. If you found this explanation helpful and want to continue learning about sociology and social theories, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who are interested in understanding how society works.